Hey guys, what's going on? It's your girl Simply Saying. I'm just coming with a quick video on how I did this flexi rod. I did a quick style with it. I wasn't too much feeling it down, but hey, I just put it up in a half up, half down style for you guys. So make sure you guys check out the next video that will be following, which will be showing you in detail how I achieved these results. But basically, I'm doing a quick half up, half down style on my flexi rod. So basically, put it up into a bun, smooth my edges, and then the rest of the video is basically me shaking it off, showing it off for you guys. I was feeling myself a little bit. If you don't feel yourself after you do a hairstyle, then that hairstyle was not the one. Keep trying, keep practicing until you feel yourself. If you're not taking pictures, video, showing off, it's not the right hairstyle, but you would eventually find it. Keep practicing, keep making it perfect. Just love your hair. Love your hair, and I promise every style, no matter if it's a fail, no matter if it's a good style, you will love your hair. You would appreciate the work that you put into doing your hair. So I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all the new subscriber and the returning subscriber. I appreciate all the support, and basically just watch to the end. I'll see you there. And yes, I did it. I did it. I did it. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss my next video. I'll see you later.